Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add another account to your Gmail app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to open my Gmail app right here. After you open up your Gmail app, go ahead and click on the profile icon right here. They take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on add another account. And go ahead and click on Google right here. Then verify it is you. Hit enter. Then go ahead and enter the email address of the account you want to add. Go ahead and click on next. Enter the account password. Then click on next. Now you are here. If you would like Google to keep your account update with this phone number, scroll down right here. You are in control. This won't make your phone number public or affect where it's used for secondary security. You can always change your phone number. You can always change your phone number, control how it uses or remove in your Google account. Go ahead and click on yes, I'm in. Then click on I agree. Now you have the account successfully added to your Google account. So you can click on the profile icon right here. So this allows you to switch from one account to another. So you have the first account here and you have the second account right here. It's that simple. So you can switch from one another. So this is another one right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.